Hello guys, today we're going to learn about types of information system. As in the previous session we talked about the concept of information system. So now we're going to start the types of information system. As we said that in this course we're going to learn about how we can use information system in businesses, right? So here, talking about information systems, according to business or in a business, we basically consider the hierarchical structure of the business. We see that. So basically, in any organization or in any business, there is like a pyramid for its organization, or it has some ranks, or it has some hierarchies. You see that. So even the information system are just designed following that pyramid or that hierarchy. You see that. So when we are talking about information system in any organization, there are almost of 5 kinds. So as I said previously, when system developer or system programmers were just categorizing this information system according to the functionalities or to the responsibilities of the system, right? But if we consider categorizing this information system in the business, we have to consider the hierarchies that are found in the businesses. So as we all know that in businesses there are different levels of leadership or of organizational activities there. So we have it's almost 4 levels of leadership in any organization. And organization that we have 4 different types of information system in organization. See, and now we are talking about information systems business, and business is within organization, right? So when we are trying to categorize this information system, we should consider these ones. So we have 4 types of information systems that have been arranged in a pyramid model so that we can know the organization in any organization with the structure, and mostly we deal with the personnel who are using the system, right? So we have the first system that is used by workers, and the another system is used by middle managers, and another system is used by senior managers, and another system is used by executives. So you see, and you see here the type of system, transaction processing system, that's the lowest. And we come to management information system, we come to decision support system, and we come to executive information system. So all of these systems each of these systems has different characteristics and responsibility. As we see, this transaction processing system, this deals with daily activities, very elemental activities that are performed by operational managers, like processing orders, doing sales, something like that. You see, and this information, we call them TPS. It's just used for very, very elemental activities within an organization. An example of TPS you can find payroll system, sales order processing system, not sales, order processing systems, and so many others. The role is produce information. So the roles of TPS produce the information for other systems, and also that's the main role. That to provide information to other systems. Examples of TPS are there, as I told you: reservation systems, stock control systems, and systems for payments and fund transfer. management information system. This is the next level after we in the pyramid. After we from TPS, then we come to MIS. We say management information system. This is more advanced. This is for middle managers to help them to supervise the operational managers. So this is a little bit very analytical, and they can help some to make some decision, but not in such, because they're just not for decision level. So these are there just to supervise the operational managers to do some things. Example of the system that are for management, for management system, sales information system, inventory control information system. So these are the very important systems that are helping us for controlling of supervising operational managers in their daily activity. And the main thing of this is just to provide the means of giving out decision, of making out decisions. It's led by very low managers compared to operational manager, right? Okay, as other roles, as you can see them there. So okay, basically that's a very important thing to understand. And now we go to decision support systems. Decision support systems, these are used by senior managers to make some strategic decisions or some critical decision within the company that can affect the future. So these systems are very important because they are used by senior manager to analyze the existing situation of the business. For example, when you have your company, or the big company like maybe let's say Bora, they want to determine they want to make some future plans. So they use this decision support system, or DSS, to see they are going to cross check on the progress on the MIS and on the TPS, and then they just start to evaluate how, according to this sales or according to our purchasing system, according to our customer, what shall we do in the coming year, or what product shall we produce so that we can catch up the market in the coming year. This is the senior managers. This is what they do. You see, so this system supports them by providing by fetching information from TPS and from MIS. See, so this is how this decision support system works. So now we come to the maybe examples of group decision support system, logistics systems, financial planning systems. The roles you just said, they provide so this is how the last information system is the active information system. So this is Mohammed Beresa is so if he wants to get to do decision, he is helped by this information system to do all of the strategic decision. So the system basically fetch all information from all of the other systems that we talked, and they are very useful. And this model, so I hope it's very clear about these types of information systems. So we have TPS, means transaction processing system. We have MIS, management information system. Then we have DSS, distribution decision support system, DSA. So and we have EIS, that is executive information system. So basically we have 4 types of information system in business. But there is something very interesting, that according to the changes of technology and innovation, there are some systems that are coming or that are invented that are not are not in this pyramid model that I introduced to you in this session. So what kind of systems that are not, cannot fit in within the pyramid that we talked about there? We have the system like search engine, like Google, or like the kind of pyramid. So they can't fit here. They don't fit on the pyramid because they have different structure. That is different from the ones that have been introduced on the module. And also we have data warehouse, we have enterprises, resources and planning, and also we have geographical information system automation. So these are the systems that are not fit on the in the pyramid, because of the change in technology and mostly it's the change in technology. Those are the systems that cause it not to fit there. But there is something called enterprise system. The enterprise system combines all the system together and puts it in a single system. It put all the systems, these 4 types of the system, within a single system, so as to make a package of all of the system. So hope the session is understandable, and hope it's clear. Okay, thank you very much and welcome to the next session. Bye bye.